Found in 1993, Peterbilt 379. And that truck coming westbound in 1998, Peterbilt 378. Also a truck coming eastbound in 2017, Peterbilt 567. Steve Wills. And a truck coming westbound in 2014, Kenworth T660. Also, that truck coming eastbound in 2014, Peterbilt 587. That's another Peterbilt 567 that's coming westbound. Also, that 2015 Freightliner Cascadia coming eastbound. Also, a truck coming eastbound in 2015 Freightliner FLD Sleeper. Eastbound in 2015 Peterbilt 387. Also, a truck coming eastbound at 2015 Kenworth T880. That's Melvin Timber. Also, a truck coming eastbound in 1976 Kenworth W900A. Also, a truck coming eastbound in 2015 Peterbilt 388. Also, that truck coming westbound in 2014 Kenworth T800. Also, that truck coming westbound in 2015 Kenworth T800. And that truck coming eastbound in 2015 Peterbilt 389. Also, that truck coming eastbound in 2015 Kenworth T680, number 34. Also, that truck coming eastbound in 2015 Kenworth T680, that's number 43. Also, that truck coming eastbound in 2012 Peterbilt 389. Look at that. Also, that truck coming westbound in 1993 Peterbilt 379. Also, that truck coming eastbound in 2015 Kenworth T680. Number 35. Also, that truck coming eastbound in 1998 Kenworth truck coming eastbound in 1998 Kenworth T800. Truck coming westbound in 2014 Peterbilt 387. Also, that Freightliner Cascadia coming eastbound. And that Kenworth T680, number 37. Also, that truck coming eastbound in 2015 Kenworth T800. This number 6. And those trucks coming eastbound in 2012 Kenworth W900 and that 2015 Kenworth W900. Also, that truck coming westbound in 2015 Kenworth T880. Also, that truck coming eastbound in 2014 Kenworth T680. That's number 41. Also, that truck coming westbound in 1976, Kenworth W900A. Also, that truck coming eastbound in 1998, Peterbilt 376. Chip truck. Also, these two trucks coming eastbound in 2015, Kenworth T800. And that 2014 Kenworth T800 with the Packer MX-15 engine. Also, that truck coming eastbound, 2015 Kenworth T800, this is number 8. The 2015 Peterbilt 389 coming westbound. Also, that truck coming eastbound in 2014 Peterbilt 387. And that truck coming eastbound in 1998 Peterbilt 378. And that truck coming eastbound in 2015 Kenworth W900. Also, that truck coming westbound in 2015 Kenworth WT800, this number 31. And that truck coming eastbound in 2014 Western Star 4900. Also, that truck coming eastbound in 2014 Kenworth T680, number 36. That 2015 Freightliner Cascadia coming westbound. Also, that truck coming eastbound, 2015 Kenworth T800, this number 20. Also, that truck coming westbound in 1998 Kenworth T800. Also, that truck coming eastbound in 1993 Peterbilt 379. And that 2002 Peterbilt 379. Also, that truck coming eastbound in 2014 Kenworth T660 Sleeper. From Bakersfield. Also, a truck coming eastbound in 2016 Peterbilt 389. Look at that. Also, that truck coming westbound in 2012 Peterbilt 389. Also, that truck coming westbound in 2015 Freightliner FLD. Carrying some lumber. And that truck coming westbound in 2015 Kenworth T800, number 6. Also, that truck coming westbound in 2015 Peterbilt 388. Also, that truck coming eastbound in 2012 Peterbilt 389. Look at that loud. Also, that truck coming westbound in 1998 Peterbilt 376. And that truck coming westbound in 2014 Kenworth T800. Also, that truck coming eastbound in 2014 Kenworth T680, number 39. Also, a truck coming eastbound in 2014 Peterbilt 565. And that truck coming westbound in 2015 Kenworth T800. Also, that truck coming eastbound, that 2012 Kenworth W900. Also, that truck coming eastbound at 2014 Kenworth T800. 2015 Kenworth T800, that's number 20. Also, that truck coming westbound at 2015 Peterbilt 567. Bad. Also, that truck coming westbound at 2017 Kenworth T800 with the telephone pole number 33. Also, that truck coming eastbound 2015 Kenworth T680 number 40. Also, that truck coming westbound in 1993 Peterbilt 379. Also, that truck coming westbound in 2014 Western Star 4900. Also, that truck coming westbound in 2015 Kenworth T800 number 20. Also, that truck coming westbound in 2012 Peterbilt 389. Also, a truck coming eastbound at 2015 Kenworth T800, this number 24. And that truck coming westbound in 1998 Peterbilt 378. And that truck coming eastbound a 2014 Kenworth T880. Also, a truck coming westbound at 2014 Peterbilt. Also, that truck coming eastbound at 2014 Peterbilt 389. Look at that. Also, that truck coming westbound, that Kenworth T680 number 34, 2015. Also, that truck coming eastbound at 2015 Peterbilt 388. Hank Combs, that is. Also, that 2015 Freightliner Cascadia coming eastbound. Also, that truck coming westbound, Kenworth T680 2015 number 43. Coming westbound 2015 Kenworth T800, this number 23. Also, that truck coming eastbound at 2014 westbound at 2015 Kenworth T680. Also, that truck coming eastbound at 2015 Peterbilt 387. Here comes number 26. Also, that truck coming eastbound at 2009 Kenworth W900. Also, another truck coming eastbound at 2014 Kenworth T680 sleeper. We've got two trucks coming eastbound. And a Kenworth and a Peterbilt 377. Peterbilt 376. Also, that truck coming eastbound at 2015 Kenworth T880 number 6. And that truck coming eastbound at 2015 Peterbilt 565. Also, that truck coming eastbound in 1998 Peterbilt 376. And also a truck coming eastbound in 2014 Kenworth T800. There's number 15. Also a spreader truck coming east westbound.